Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable global location in Tinder on Android. This feature allows you to connect with people from anywhere in the world, not just your local area, which is perfect if you're planning to travel or want to expand your dating pool internationally. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Tinder app on your Android device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation icons. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view your photos, bio, and access various account settings. Now that you're on your profile page, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to open up your account settings. This is where you can customize all your Tinder preferences, from discovery settings to privacy options and much more. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Keep scrolling until you find an option labeled Global. This setting specifically controls whether you can match with people outside your current location, essentially removing geographical restrictions from your swiping experience. It's particularly useful for Tinder Plus, Gold, or Platinum subscribers who want to take full advantage of their premium features. When you locate the global option, you'll see a toggle button right beside it. This toggle is currently switched off by default, which means your matches are limited to your current geographical area. Simply tap on this toggle button to enable the global feature. Once you activate it, you'll be able to change your location to anywhere in the world and start matching with people in different cities or countries. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the global location feature in your Tinder app, giving you access to a worldwide pool of potential matches. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.